this channel, I do ukulele and guitar tutorials. This is the second part of the video. Let's say you have zero knowledge on ukulele. You may want to check out the first part. You'll see the link in the description below. Today, I'm going to teach you the most common strumming pattern. We will use the chord progression which we have learned from the first part of the video. And we're gonna start right now. The numbers you see in the chords chart tells you what fingers to use. For example, in key of C, we're using number 3. 1, 2, 3. A minor, F, and G. Now, for strumming pattern, we go down, down, up, down, up. For instance, need to do that in each chord. Down, down, up, down, up. Let me show you a variation of the chord progression which we just learned. I believe you can play a lot of songs with this. Aside from doing C, A minor, F, and G, we can go C, G, A minor, and F. Yes, you can do that in the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Sometimes I lay under the moon, I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Let's go, everybody. We're going to ride in there.